Spring is so beautiful. Can you hear the bees, the birds? And I've been getting up to do yoga in the morning. So much easier when I can open the window and the light comes in and the breeze is just a lovely coolness. And then coming outside, having a smoothie, feet on the ground, just soaking in some of those earlier rays of the day. Connecting, being at peace, prioritising connection, prioritising that deep listening, taking time to be attuned and aware of the present. Such a blessing. Such a blessing. Have a beautiful day. Make sure you do things for you that bring you back to your body, bring you back to this present moment, this beautiful moment. And may you have sunshine on the outside and on the inside.